AES RACKMOUNT is a powerful and quick-to-install energy storage system for indoor or outdoor residential off-grid solar and whole home backup power applications. With a 5 kilowatt, 100 amp hour capacity battery module, sizing the system is simple and only final assembly at site is needed. Stacking of modules saves space, and pre-wired battery cables, breakers, and quick connects means installation time can be cut in half, enabling big savings on time and labor costs. Obtaining residential connection permits for your installation is simple because AES RACKMOUNT is UL1973 and UL9540 safety certified. Networking the battery module with the LYNK II Gateway enables state of charge status and charge parameters to be communicated from the internal battery management system to inverter chargers and solar charge controllers. The battery module stands apart from other rack-mounted battery modules with a full suite of closed-loop inverter charger integrations. It features our advanced 4th-generation high-current BMS, which dramatically elevates charging performance and effortlessly handles the surge requirements of big inverters. With AES RACKMOUNT, select from a range of products to fit the needs of your project. Heated battery modules for cold climates and non-heated battery modules for warmer climates. Quickly install and parallel up to 6 battery modules with quick stack racks and a battery module combiner. For even more power in a closed-loop configuration, parallel up to 180 kilowatt hours of battery modules and 6 parallel stacks. For outdoor installations, parallel 6 battery modules with the AES RACKMOUNT 30 kilowatt hour slimline enclosure. Site up to 180 kilowatt hours of battery modules in a closed-loop configuration by installing 6 slimline NEMA 3R rated enclosures in parallel. Indoors or outdoors, AES RACKMOUNT is the ultimate energy storage solution for your client's home and guarantees AES RACKMOUNT with both a 10-year workmanship warranty and an industry-leading energy throughput performance guarantee. AES RACKMOUNT is the simple, quick, closed-loop, certified energy storage system for residential solar professionals.